idea what you did?
I'll write about you.
Just leaving?
I need to move on, I think you do too. You were all that I wanted, you know that you still are, 'cause I've been alright, yeah, but you showed me better.
I'm Bruce Wayne.
I know that we're changing, but nothing feels different.
Same Kyle.
I'm breaking the silence to say,
People call me Cat.
if in 10 years' time I'm still on your mind, would you call?
You gonna leave me?
Say you want this, no matter where we are, you still have my heart, 'cause I locked it, and I promise you're the locksmith. We said forever and said it too soon. At least now I know nobody feels like you do. You were all that I wanted, you know.
Sana deli gibi aşık oldum.
I'm breaking the silence to say, if in 10 years' time I'm still on your mind, would you call me? Say you want this, no matter where we are, you still have my heart, 'cause I locked it, and I promise you're the locksmith. You're the one that I can see me growing old with. Build a house, I see it now, you plant me roses, and everything we dreamed
You abandoned me.
came into
You were a child.
years ago.
Yes, I was a child.
If in
And look at what my life became without you.
time I'm still on your mind, could you
Your own
call
tragedy.
Go on, I wonder what you think of mine by
Say you
comparison.
want this, no matter where we are, you still have my heart, 'cause I locked it, and I promise you're the locksmith.